Connectors.
Hey, I'll tell you some connectors. Could you give me an example of them?
Yeah, sure I can.
Without further delay.
Let's start the meeting without further delay.
Somehow.
I don't know how, but somehow, we will solve this problem.
What if?
What if we miss the train? Do we have another option?
Moreover.
She is intelligent. Moreover, she is hardworking.
Furthermore.
The plan is too expensive. Furthermore, it's not practical.
In addition.
He plays football. In addition, he is good at basketball.
However.
She was tired. However, she continued working.
On the other hand.
Tea is relaxing. On the other hand, coffee keeps you awake.
Nevertheless.
It was raining. Nevertheless, they went for a walk.
Because.
He was late because he missed the bus.
Therefore.
She studied hard, therefore, she passed the exam.
As a result.
He forgot to set an alarm. As a result, he was late.
Similarly.
Dogs are loyal pets. Similarly, cats can be very affectionate.
Likewise.
She respects her teachers. Likewise, she expects respect from others.
In order to.
He left early in order to catch the train.
So that.
Speak louder so that everyone can hear you.
In conclusion.
In conclusion, hard work leads to success.
To sum up. To sum up, the trip was a great experience. Not only. But also.
She is not only smart but also very kind.
Besides.
I don't like fast food. Besides, it's unhealthy.
What's more.
The hotel was expensive. What's more, the service was terrible.
Owing to.
The flight was delayed owing to bad weather.
As a consequence of.
As a consequence of his actions, he lost his job.
For this cause.
The project failed. For this cause, they had to make changes.
Comparable to.
Her work ethic is comparable to that of a professional.
In equal measure.
He is confident and humble in equal measure.
To the same extent.
She loves reading to the same extent that he enjoys sports.
For the sole reason that.
He apologized for the sole reason that he valued their friendship.
In an attempt to.
She moved to a new city in an attempt to start fresh.
With this in mind.
He invested in new equipment with this in mind, improving productivity.
Bringing it all together.
Bringing it all together, we must focus on quality over quantity.
So long as.
You can stay here so long as you follow the rules.
On condition that.
He will sign the contract on condition that the terms are fair.
In case of.
In case of emergency, call 911.
Thereafter.
She graduated and thereafter started her own business. From this point forward. From this point forward, I will focus on my career.
The moment that.
The moment that I saw her, I knew something was wrong.
Not forgetting.
She is a great dancer, not forgetting her incredible singing skills.
2.
He loves playing football. He enjoys basketball too.
Even though.
Even though it was raining, they continued playing.
That is why.
She always helps others. That is why she is loved by everyone.
Leads to.
Excessive sugar consumption leads to health problems.
Similarly to.
The new model works similarly to the older version.
For the sake of.
He made sacrifices for the sake of his family.
So as to.
She spoke slowly so as to be understood clearly.
With this purpose in mind.
He joined the workshop with this purpose in mind, improving his communication skills.
Ultimately.
Ultimately, success depends on persistence and effort.
Suppose that.
Suppose that you find a treasure, what would you do?
Given these circumstances.
Given these circumstances, we have no choice but to delay the project.
Meanwhile.
She was cooking. Meanwhile, he set the table.
At that point.
At that point, we realized we had taken the wrong route.
Thank you for helping me out. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.